Jai Hind children, welcome back our next class. In this class, we are discussing the following topics. The first topic is rice. The second one is wheat. The third one is millets. The fourth one is maize. These are the food crops. Then cotton, jute are cash crops, and coffee, tea are the plantation crops. And next topic is agricultural development. And next one is a farm in India and a farm in USA. So dear children, keep watching the video carefully. The first topic is major crops. A variety of crops or many crops are grown to meet the requirement of the growing population. Major crops of India are rice, wheat, millets, maize, cotton, jute, coffee, tea. These crops can be grown as subsistence as well as commercial level. Major food crops are wheat, rice, maize and millets. Fiber crops are jute and cotton. And important beverage crops are tea and coffee. The first topic is rice. It is one of the food crop in India. The stable diet of the tropical and subtropical regions need high temperature, high humidity and rainfall. Grows best in alluvial clay soil which can retain water. Leading producers of rice are China, followed by India, Japan, Sri Lanka and Egypt. In favourable climatic conditions like West Bengal and Bangladesh, 2 to 3 crops are grown in a year. The next food crop is wheat. Wheat requires moderate temperature and rainfall during the growing season. Bright sunshine at the time of harvest. Thrives best in well-drained loamy soil. Grown extensively in USA, Canada, Argentina, Russia, Ukraine, Australia and India. In India, the wheat is grown in winter season. Millets is the another food crop. It is also known as coarse grains. Can be grown on less fertile and sandy soils. A hardy crop that needs low rainfall and high to moderate temperature and adequate rainfall. Jowar, bajra and ragi are grown in India, also in Nigeria, China and Niger. Maize is another food crop in India. Maize requires moderate temperature, rainfall and a lot of sunshine. It needs well-drained fertile soil. It is grown in North America, Brazil, China, Russia, Canada, India and Mexico. So these are the main places maize are grown. So maize requires moderate temperature and a rainfall. Cotton is one of the cash crops in India. Cotton requires high temperature and light rainfall. It grows best on black and alluvial soil. The leading producers of cotton are China, USA, India, Pakistan, Brazil and Egypt. Main raw materials for the cotton textile industry. So cotton is the main raw material for cotton textile industry. It requires high temperature and light rainfall. The next one is jute. Jute is also known as golden fibre. It is grows well on alluvial soil. It requires high temperature, heavy rainfall and humid climate. It is grown in the tropical areas. The leading producers of jute are India and Bangladesh. So dear children, don't forget that jute is otherwise known as golden fibre. It grows well on alluvial soil and it requires high temperature, heavy rainfall. India and Bangladesh are the leading producers of jute. The next one is coffee. Coffee is one of the plantation crop and also it is one of the beverage crop. Coffee requires a warm and wet climate and a well-drained loamy soil. Hill slopes are more suitable for the growth of crop. Leading producers are Brazil, followed by Colombia and India. So India and Colombia and Brazil are the major producers of coffee. The next one is tea. A beverage crop grown on plantations, requires cool climate and well distributed high rainfall throughout the year for the growth of its tender leaves. Needs well drained loamy soils and gentle slopes. Kenya, India, China, Sri Lanka produce the best quality tea in the world. So please underline the name of the countries, that is Kenya, India, China, Sri Lanka produce the best quality tea in the world. The next one is agriculture development. Agriculture development refers to effort made to increase farm production in order to meet the growing demand of increasing population. So please underline this line. What is agriculture development? It refers to efforts made to increase farm production in order to meet the growing demand of increasing population. It includes better farming practices, better crops, variety and awareness of farmers. The next topic is a farm in India. A typical Indian Munna Lal has a farmland of about 1.5 hectares. He purchases high-yielding varieties of seeds from the market every alternate year. Mostly, subsistence farming exists in India. Labor availability and small size of farmlands make it for farmers to use intensive farming practices. The next one is a farm in the USA. The average size of a farm in the USA is about 250 hectares. The farmers grow corn, soybean, wheat, cotton and sugar beet. Crops are grown at commercial level. Large farmlands and less population is suitable for development of this type of farming in developed nations.